That's the way, I like it, Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Roche, aka beautymagz. In today's video, I'll be giving you another lingerie haul, and this time we are doing an affordable, sexy lingerie, G-strings collections, lingerie haul, panty haul, and yes, see-through underwear haul. So if you are interested to any of those, then please keep on watching. So you guys, look at that. We have a Christmas decor right now. Here's my Christmas tree here. It's early in the morning. Natutulog pa ang lola nyo. Konting makeup lang, simple makeup, Maybelline lipstick. Maganda siya, no? Kasi Christmas. Red tayo ngayon to make it more festive, okay? So, we are talking about red G-strings collections today. So, that's our lingerie haul for the day. I have 2 items for you here. And yes, are you excited for this item? Are you going to say, aking ka na lang, aking ka na lang? Without any further ado, let's get to our first panty. So the first lingerie is, of course, as the topic of this video, bam, red, diba? Match. Minatch ko lang. Kasi red is my thing. Red is my lucky charm. Color. Okay, yes. Right, guys, you see, this is very beautiful. See-through G-strings. Okay, let's take this off so we can feel more better with this one. And also, this is affordable, under 60 pesos. Shopee, online, of course, another online shopping. And this time of month, there is a lot of big, savings, discounts. Go ahead. So this one, guys, you look at that. Bam! Right. Nice siya, no? Yes. Parang kang red hot chili peppers nito. Mapawaw ka talaga. This is very striking, and I like the design of this. See-through lace. Look at that. See, it's very intricate, luxurious. Yes. Yeah, you feel expensive. Yeah, this one, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that here. Okay. And here on the back side. Oh, bam, diba? Parang kudlit ka lang. Look at that. See? Nice, right? It's also very affordable, very cheap. You can just do it. You can purchase online. So, yeah, that's the way to go these days. I know the malls are opening, and yeah, you can go out. But for me, okay na ako sa bahay lang. Papindot-pindot lang, and the item will arrive at the doorstep of my house. Look at the backside, guys. Isn't that beautiful? It's very nice. It's nice, you guys. That pretty? Yes, matched ko minatch ko talaga. So this is it. This is our first lingerie. It's very sexy. Of course, G-strings, no? And if you have a body, yes, single, hot as can be. This is very striking. Yes, makilatan juga ni. A lightning will strike on you. This is very attractive, yes. And you can also wear this as a bridal lingerie, no? Your honeymoon, yeah, first night of your, moment. This is it. Because this is just so beautiful, yes. And it doesn't look cheap. And yeah, the material is nice. I like it. That's the way, I like it, So our next lingerie is going to be, of course, another reds because our theme for today is red, but with a touch of color. So this is beautiful, you guys. This is see-through. Look at that. Oh, wow, diba? This is really nice, you guys. I like this one. Ano siya? Pababy na sexy. No? I really like this one. Look at that. The design of this. Black with a touch of reds. And it makes this more fun. If you are too timid or too shy to show it, this is it. Hides a little bit of your, if you have imperfections, you can hide it because of the design of this. This is see-through net. Look at the design. I really like it. Got some flowers in here, right? See-through. Makita gyapon ang kagmaon. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, na pretty, pretty boy, I like you. Na 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 na. Very nice siya, guys. Ano na siya, parang, it's a normal panty, though the design is, but what makes it different is just the material they're using. This is see-through material, like mesh type. This is a little bit delicate material, so I would say, wear it in a very, very gently, yes, because this is just so like delicate material, but it's very nice, you guys. Look at that. Let's take a look, okay? It's really nice, you guys. Look at that. It's just wonderful. Yeah, kita yapon. I like this one. And yeah, and of course, you hear the, This is comfortable to wear, right? So if you're a little bit more of a shy type, this one is for you. Alright, you guys, so that's it. That's our lingerie haul for today for our Christmas spirit reddish color sexy lingerie red G-strings collection. I hope you like this underwear haul of mine, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.